And so let's do the wrap-up for today. This is the wrap-up for the live market open for November 16th, 1 week after we learned that Donald Trump will become the next president of the United States of America. The dollar is on a roll. A short explanation, we expect fiscal stimulus, tax cuts, more spending that will push interest rates higher. That means a stronger dollar. Things are slowly getting back to normal. There are doubts if Trump will indeed carry out his program because Republicans might block at least parts of it, his own party. Oil is quite mixed. Watch for more erratic oil movements towards that OPEC meeting at the end of the month. More significant events are lined up to mention in this wrap-up. So I would mention, well, tomorrow is a very, very busy day. Watch out for final inflation figures from the Eurozone, the ECB meeting minutes. That's on the Euro side. On the US side, we have inflation as well. Other figures as well, housing, jobless claims, the Philly Fed, and a testimony by Janet Yellen in which she can give us the final hint for a rate hike in December. Unless, of course, we get a totally disastrous NFP, which is unexpected. So that's a very busy Thursday for you. We also have, interesting events in the UK. Today's jobless claims and tomorrow's retail sales are, of course, very important. Let's take a quick overview of the charts. I was talking about a breather for the US dollar, which actually did happen, of course, yesterday and until a few hours ago, but now we're seeing the dollar making further moves. Against the euro, this has been rejected so far. False break under 107.10, but maybe the second move will be successful. Further below 106.50, 105.20, and 104.60. To the top side, 108.20. Pound dollar looking for a new direction. The pound has been one of the more resilient currencies in general. 125.60, 127. To the downside, we have 123.20. Dollar yen is basically unstoppable. The only way is up as the sun goes. 109.60 almost, and as we speak, making new highs for the day. And 110 is the next level, of course, and then 111.40. To the downside, we have 107.50 as very strong support. Dollar yen, as Valery Bednarik of FX Street says, once the dollar yen breaks out of range, it continues with the trend for a long time. Let's see how long it is. Nobody knows. The dollar is also strengthening against commodity currencies this morning. Dollar CAD moving up 134.65, next level 134.70, and 136.40. Aussie dollar moving down as well, 75.18. Relatively boring. The Australian dollar of late used to be one of my favorites. 75, 74, 40, and 73.75 are the levels to watch. To the downside, 76, 60, and 77 to the upside. Kiwi dollar, a bit of struggle, 70.80 at the moment. 70 is support, followed by 69.50. Resistance, 71.60. And I'll mention for a change dollar switch, which is holding up above parity. Watch out for interventions over